All right, I'm going to show you really quickly about grading with a rubric. And here I had students have an audio response. I can tell there's a rubric from this little waffle right here. I click on it. It's going to pull up the rubric and it's going to go in order. These are the things that I'm looking for as the student answers the question. Okay, so I'm going to pause this while I listen to the audio so I can see if in fact the student did get full points. Okay, after listening to the student's response, yes, they did name all three terms, get 3 points. And yes, they did give the correct name for the common name for each of those terms, 3 points. Then I'm going to click save. Then I'm going to scroll down and move to the next student and repeat the process. So pause again while I listen to this audio. Okay, so I finished listening to the audio for this student. I'm going to pull up the rubric. And yes, they did name all three terms correctly and then gave me the common name correctly for each one. And I'm going to click save. If you click this, view one more attempt, it's going to show you that this is the second attempt as I have enabled students to take more than one attempt of this assessment. If I click this hide, I'm just going to see the most recent one. And then I'm going to continue to scroll down, click on the rubric waffle, and grade the question. Okay, so again, this is for an audio, but you can easily attach a rubric to other questions, a video or a short answer essay question.